Is your iPhone stuck with parental controls and you don't know how to remove the passcode without screen time? Screen time is an iPhone parental control feature that helps parents set limits on specific content types, schedule downtime, and many other options. But sometimes you simply forget the passcode or can't access key features. This can be really frustrating. The good news is, in this video, we'll show you several reliable ways how to remove parental controls on your iPhone, even if you don't know the passcode. Let's get started. For the first option, open Settings and scroll all the way down to find Screen Time menu. Tap it once, enter your Screen Time passcode. Scroll down further to find the Turn Off Screen Time option. When a pop-up window confirms your action, you will be prompted to enter your passcode again. If you don't remember the passcode, you can do a full restore via iTunes or Finder. For that, connect your iPhone to your computer and open iTunes on Windows or Finder on Mac. Choose your device and click Restore iPhone. This will erase all content and settings, including the screen time lock. After restoration, you can set it up as the new one and restore your backup. If your iOS device is running iOS 13.4 or iPadOS 13.4 or later, you can use your Apple ID to disable screen time on your device. On your iPhone, launch the Default Settings app, scroll all the way down and select Screen Time option. Select Change Screen Time Passcode. Tap Forgot Passcode menu and enter your Apple ID and password from it. You can now create a new Screen Time passcode. To generate a new passcode, follow on the screen instructions. If you barely remember the parental control passcode on your iPhone or don't want to lose your data, you can use a professional iPhone unlocking tool to remove parental controls. Any Unlock, a professional iPhone unlocker tool, can help you quickly remove parental controls without the screen time passcode preventing data loss due to forgotten passcode. To use this method, free download any unlock via the link in the description on your PC or Mac computer. Then launch the application and connect your iPhone to the device via USB or Type-C cable. In the pop-up menu, select the Unlock Screen Time Passcode mode. Then, click the Unlock Now button. Afterwards, any unlock will back up your device to prevent data loss. Here, please wait for a moment and you will have an iPhone free of any parental controls. And that's it. It's just so simple as that. The above 4 methods can effectively help you remove restrictions on iPhone without passcode. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time. Peace.